Intervening in an Illinois divorce cases often involve more than just two spouses. A third party with a substantial interest may need to participate in an Illinois divorce. Illinois law allows courts to join additional parties when necessary and proper for the exercise of their authority. The Illinois Marriage and Dissolution of Marriage Act and the Illinois Code of Civil Procedure provide mechanisms for intervention. To intervene as of right, the petition must be timely filed, the existing parties must inadequately represent the intervener's interest, and the intervener must have a sufficient interest in the case. A court's discretion on intervention focuses on timeliness, adequacy of representation, and sufficiency of interest. If a petition is filed after judgment without explanation, the court may deny it as untimely. A third party must have an enforceable, recognizable right rather than a speculative interest. They must attach their proposed pleading to show what relief they seek. Interventions are favored because they dispose of the entire controversy in one action and prevent multiple lawsuits. Illinois courts are liberal in allowing interventions so that matters can be resolved efficiently. A necessary party is someone whose presence protects their own interest, protects the interests of those before the court, or allows the court to fully resolve the matter. Grandparents, great-grandparents, step-parents, and siblings may petition for visitation if a parent unreasonably denies contact and at least one parent agrees to the visitation. Even so, intervention by relatives for visitation is usually unnecessary because a parent's representation is adequate. Children affected by divorce need not intervene because the court can appoint a guardian ad litem or child representative. The right to appoint a guardian is discretionary and not automatic. Third parties often intervene because they have an interest in marital property. When a couple and a third party jointly own property, joinder is used to include the third party so the court can decide how to divide the asset. Joinder allows any person with an interest in the controversy to be made a defendant for complete determination. If marital property has been transferred to a third party to disguise ownership, that transfer may be a fraudulent conveyance. A conveyance without adequate consideration may be deemed fraudulent. Courts can set aside transfers when the transferee knew or should have known of the fraudulent intent. An illusory or colorable transfer, where ownership is secretly retained by the original owner, is a sham that defrauds marital rights. Fraud must be proven by clear and convincing evidence. Once fraud is established, the court can order the asset returned or held in constructive trust for the party's benefit. Intervention can also address existing lawsuits. Illinois courts may consolidate related cases to avoid multiple trials, provided consolidation does not prejudice substantial rights. Actions can be combined when they involve the same subject matter or event, or when they could have been brought as a single case. Consolidation may allow a single hearing on common issues while keeping separate judgments. Divorce disputes can become messy when additional parties are involved. A skilled family lawyer can help you determine whether intervention or joinder is necessary and can guide you through the legal process. Consulting a knowledgeable divorce lawyer ensures you meet statutory requirements and protect your interests. An attorney will assess whether your interest is timely, substantial, and inadequately represented. Attorneys can also advise third parties facing allegations of fraudulent conveyance. Our law firm understands the complexities of Illinois divorce law and knows how to protect your rights. Our law firm can represent both spouses and third parties in complex marital property disputes. If you need to intervene in an Illinois divorce or respond to a petition for intervention, we are here to help. Contact the law office of Russell D. Knight at 773-334-6311 or visit us at 1165 North Clark Street, number 700, Chicago, Illinois, 60610, United States.